Peace and welcome back to the Alkemistry Goddess channel. I know it's been a little while since I last posted here. Around the same time I stepped away, I started working on my CASAC course, and today I'm excited to bring you something a little different, but very important to me. This video is a step-by-step guide through the CASAC initial application process in New York State. If you're preparing to become a CASAC or just curious about what the process looks like, this will give you everything you need to get started. Before starting your application, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need a my.ny.gov account, a scanned copy of your GED, high school diploma, or college degree, and your transcript if your degree doesn't indicate your major. You'll also need your 350-hour CASAC certificate of completion, your social security number, and the $100 application fee plus a $1.25 convenience fee when paying online. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother. When you're ready, log into your my.ny.gov account, and from the list of services available to you, choose the New York State Licensing Center. Then type CASAC into the search bar that appears. Select the option for the CASAC initial application. You'll be redirected to the OASIS site, and from there, click on the Careers tab, select CASAC and other credentials, and this will move you forward into the credentialing portal. You may need to log in again with your my.ny.gov details. Step 1, credential type. Choose CASAC as your credential. This starts the official application process. Step 2, application information. Here, you will enter your personal details, demographics, contact information, and set your notification preferences. Step 3, education. Upload your highest level of education. Again, this can be a GED, high school diploma, college degree, or a transcript. If your degree does not clearly indicate your major, it must be accompanied by a transcript. You will also need to upload your 350-hour CASAC certificate of completion. When entering your training provider, type the first few letters of the organization's name, then select it from the drop-down menu. You can also include your instructor's name if you like. Step 4, codes of conduct. Step 4 is all about reviewing and acknowledging the professional codes of conduct you'll be held to as a CASAC. Step 5, competency evaluations. You'll eventually need up to 3 competency evaluations completed by supervisors or employers who can speak to your professional abilities. If you don't have these yet, you can submit them later, and this will not affect the initial application process. Step 6, employment information. Here, you'll provide details about your current employment and if you're working in the field already. If you're not employed or working in the field right now, that's okay. You can return to this later, and this will not affect the initial application process. Step 7, work experience. This section documents your 6,000 supervised hours of direct work with individuals who have substance use disorders. It's completed by you along with your supervisors or employers. If you haven't met these hours yet, you can add this information later, and this will not affect the initial application process. Step 8, affirmations and certifications. In this step, you'll disclose any licenses or certifications you hold, affirm that they're in good standing, and acknowledge your responsibilities under OASIS's standards and the New York State Justice Center for the protection of people with special needs. Step 9, documents. Here, you'll upload any supporting documents, such as explanations or statements if you disclose something in the previous step. Step 10, review. Carefully review your entire application to make sure everything is accurate and all files are uploaded. Step 11, payment. The online fee is $100 plus a $1.25 fee for debit card payments. Once submitted, OASIS will review your application and post a review summary in your portal. That summary will let you know what's approved and what still needs to be added. Your application remains active for 5 years, so you'll have plenty of time to add competency evaluations or work experience if those aren't ready at the time that you apply. Once credentialed, your CASAC must be renewed every 3 years. And that's the CASAC initial application process from start to finish. Remember, not every detail has to be ready right away. The purpose of this video is to show you how to get the initial application submitted, and you can always add your evaluations, employment, or work experience later. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on the CASAC journey. And here on the Alkemistry Goddess channel, I want to thank you for being here with me as I share not just my spiritual alignments, but also the professional steps that are shaping my own journey as a human, a healer, a counselor, and a guide. Peace and risings.